In this video, you'll learn how to receive Bitcoin on your Phantom wallet. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully receive Bitcoin and ensure you can manage your cryptocurrency. But start by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access all functionalities. If you have not yet created an account, follow the prompts to set one up before proceeding. Once you are on the home screen of the Phantom wallet, look for the token list displayed. On this list, you will find various cryptocurrencies available in your wallet. Locate Bitcoin, which may be shown as either Bitcoin Taproot or Bitcoin Native SegWit, depending on your wallet's configuration. After identifying Bitcoin, click on it to access the specific options for this cryptocurrency. This action will direct you to a new screen containing details and functionalities associated with Bitcoin. Next, find and click the option labeled Receive. This button is typically located on the screen where you see details about Bitcoin. Once you click this, your Bitcoin address along with a QR code will appear for you to use. At this point, you can copy your Bitcoin address, which is a string of characters unique to your wallet. You can do this by clicking the copy icon next to the address. After copying, you can send Bitcoin to this address from another wallet or exchange. Be mindful of checking the amount you wish to send and ensure it matches your transaction needs. It is essential to verify that your wallet has enough storage space to accommodate incoming transactions. Additionally, consider the size of the Bitcoin transaction you are sending, as larger transactions may take longer to process depending on network congestion and your internet speed. Confirm that you have a stable connection to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.